let's get ready.
It's 90 degrees in Portland. So I'm wearing a dress. Shorts. For all you new people, why do I wear shorts so much with dresses? Because of this. Lululemon cycling shirts. One more. I had this idea earlier today of wearing this like an overall. Let's see if it works out. Deodorant. 19 more days until my tummy tuck. Free people cutesy dress. Oh, I went wrong somewhere. I just don't know where. The fitzies. Alexandra Joya necklaces. Jared hoop, Tory Burch charm. Loop it through. Paperclip. Bracelets. Yoga mat. Sandals. SPF as lotion. Oh yeah, I forgot the shoes. And as always, remember to wear what you want. All glistening thanks to Kula SPF. Ooh-wee.